Hello everyone, welcome back to the Daily Aviation Channel. Today, let's discover the enigmatic X-47B. The X-47B is an unmanned combat air system manufactured by Northrop Grumman for the United States Navy. It was developed from the X-47A Pegasus and was intended for aircraft carrier-based operations. A wireless link controls X-47B through a handheld device held by a deck operator. The flight deck director and the deck operator work in unison to maneuver the aircraft into desired positions. X-47B can perform catapult launches and arrested landings. It is the first unmanned aircraft to be catapulted from an aircraft carrier. Tailless design and blended wing body structure lower the radar footprint, making the X-47B ideal for penetrating protected airspaces. X-47B made history by performing the first ever autonomous aerial refueling in 2015. It received fuel from the Omega's Boeing 707 tanker through the probe and drogue method, usually used by manned aircraft like the FA-18 Super Hornet.
Almost done with the burn.
X-47B inherits a different landing gear compared to its Pegasus variant. The nose wheel is comprised of two wheels within the tricycle-type landing gear, while the main gears have single wheels. Landing gears, while the main gears have single wheels. The arrestor hook, fitted to the aircraft's empennage, catches one of the arrestor cables to slow down the aircraft upon landing. The aircraft receives power from a Pratt & Whitney F100 turbofan engine. The engine is placed within the fuselage to maintain stealth characteristics, while the exhaust is ported at the back of the UAV. As a distinctive feature of the most carrier-based aircraft, X-47B can fold its wings, making the wingspan from 38.2 to 30.9 feet, thus saving more deck space. Bell AH-1 Super Cobra is a twin-engine attack helicopter and the successor of the AH-1 Cobra. The Super Cobra has a slim design inherited from its predecessor and is powered by two turboshaft engines. As an attacking helicopter, Super Cobra can be fitted with many armaments, including Sidewinder air-to-air missiles and sidearm anti-radiation missiles. UH-1Y Huey is a twin-engine utility helicopter developed from Bell UH-1N twin Huey. First flew in 2001 and entered the service in 2008. UH-1Y is a result of the H-1 upgrade program launched by the US Marine Corps in 1996. The helicopter has an all-composite four-bladed main rotor, and both the main rotor and the tail rotor are made tolerant toward ballistic damages. The Huey can also be equipped with rockets and machine guns. More importantly, it has an advanced countermeasure system, incorporated with countermeasure dispensers, radar warning receivers, and laser detection systems.